In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail ads in your inbox by disabling the promotions and social tabs, and also how to cut down on promotional emails so your inbox feels a lot cleaner. If your Gmail is getting cluttered with marketing messages, newsletters, and extra tabs, this quick tutorial will help you simplify everything in just a few steps. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once your Gmail inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. This is where Gmail keeps all of your inbox display options and email preferences. After that, click see all settings so you can access the full settings menu. On the general settings page, scroll until you find the inbox type section. Here, you'll see an option called customize. Click customize to adjust which tabs appear in your inbox. In the list, you should see tab options like promotions and social. Simply uncheck promotions and social if you want those tabs removed from your inbox view. This won't delete your emails, but it will stop Gmail from separating them into those category tabs. Once you've made your selection, scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh and your inbox layout will now look cleaner and more streamlined. Now, if your goal is also to reduce the amount of ad-like promotional mail you see, there's one more useful step. Open any promotional email that you no longer want to receive. At the top of the message, look for the report spam option or the unsubscribe link if it's available. If it's a legitimate sender and you want to stop getting emails from them, choose unsubscribe. If it looks suspicious or unwanted, report it as spam instead. Doing this helps Gmail learn what messages you don't want, which can reduce clutter over time. You can repeat this with other promotional emails to keep your inbox cleaner moving forward. So just to recap, you can remove the promotions and social tabs through Gmail settings, and you can also manage unwanted promotional emails by unsubscribing or marking them as spam. It's a simple way to make Gmail feel much less noisy and much more useful every day. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.